Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. And I am going to be talking about markets, where the party is going on, जो हमने last Friday webinar at 4 पे देखा था. I am just going to elaborate more on that and how it is helping if you want to trade in the markets. By the way, I'm recording this from my resort Cloud9. There was a huge cyclone yesterday again, and it looks like कि जो last year हुआ था, everything is repeating again. This is what happened last year. There is no electricity now. There is nothing. I thought, let me do it from an outside. So I'm doing it from outside now. I talked about something like this in a very similar situation last year, and same thing I'm doing it again today. So this is a resort in Lonavala, and I'm here right now because it's much better to be here rather than in Mumbai. So overall markets में हो क्या रहा है, जैसे हमने फ्राइडे में बात किया था, the party is on in the small cap mid cap stocks, and that is very much true even now. We can clearly see Nifty is giving a breakout on the upside. A possible positive breakout is what you can see on the stock, and uh, uh, and on the overall index and on the stocks also. So यहाँ पर एक breakout तो आया है, तो इसलिए you don't really have to capture a top. Let it run, ride the trend, continue to do that on the upside. So I was talking about the momentum is built up now, and Nifty is given a positive breakout. अभी फिलहाल sustain हो रहा है as and when we speak about that psychological 15,000 mark, already 15,100 to be honest. And in this space, maybe index trading नहीं, लेकिन stock specific अगर आप trade करें, not necessarily large cap stocks. If you also look at the stocks from the mid cap and the small cap space, that has done fabulously well. Let me share across examples of the mid cap, small cap stocks that I want to share across. And by the way, the background that you are seeing is natural. It's not, I know there are virtual backgrounds, but this one is a natural background from my resort, which I own, by the way. So Cloud9. So stock specific agar baat kare, to look at, we gave momentum call on Dalmia Bharat, went fabulously well. We gave cash call today as well in BF utility, and the stock just shorted up sharply. In the morning research report, we talked about Deepak Nitrite, and the stock is up by more than 5-6%. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको फोकस लार्ज कैप स्टॉक्स से हटा के मिड कैप स्मॉल कैप पे अगर आप फोकस करेंगे, there is possibility you can make a lot of money in these stocks. But yes, you should always have a technique, a method, and trust me, simple methods are also working fabulously well if you can apply it correctly. So I'm going to very quickly share across few charts and going to tell you. So if you can see this chart right now, you can clearly see that we gave a buy call on BF utility around that 310 level. Breakout Bollinger Band के ऊपर जा रहा था, higher high, higher low banaya, support from the mid of the band and bouncing back. Room was there in our RSI, and the stock just shorted up very well, very sharply, and a very clear wave structure. If you look at it, it looked like a third wave starting. So this rise that you see from the bottom till this high was wave one. We had wave two, and this looked like third wave. So it was like a classic call. So wave theory नहीं भी आते, अगर आप simple Bollinger Band with candlestick apply करें with RSI, works fabulous. Next stock, if you look at it, Dalmia Bharat. So momentum call we gave around this level. Again, look like a very classic start on the upside. Possibly, you can clearly see it was above the Ichimoku cloud. There was momentum building up. Candlestick also suggested that there is a bias. So we gave a bias around this zone, which was around 1690 levels. And look at it where it is. It is up by more than 100 points already in just few days of time. So a very classic move again that we saw on the momentum side, but again from something like a cash stock, right? Dalmia Bharat, something like BF utility. So these are the stocks where you can, if you look at candlestick and apply a simple method also. Candlestick के साथ अगर आपने इचिमो को apply कर दिया या Bollinger Bands apply कर दिया, and you have a gauge on what is the overall index doing. Trust me, you can identify these kind of stocks. और अगर नहीं identify कर सकते, you know, you can get access to these kind of stocks from our cash calls where we are giving these stocks, maybe momentum calls, or maybe research report. Now look at Deepak Nitrite. The stock was trading around over here. If you can see my screen, Deepak Nitrite was somewhere around this zone when we generated the call on Deepak Nitrite, around these levels. And from there, these lower levels of around 1700, 1710 lower levels, from there the stock ran up sharply on the upside. So that clearly suggests that something is happening on the stocks from here. So this was the level. In the morning equity research report, we published this stock, and look at it, a very sharp rise as soon as it opened, and it's currently quoting like 5-6% on the upside. So इसमें if you can apply, so in that we applied channels. हमने morning research report में दिखाया भी है. You apply channels, you apply Bollinger Bands, as I said. In this talk where I talked about Dalmia Bharat, the buy call was given at these levels. You know, around this zone, there was a higher low formation. Ichimoku cloud support. This is an hourly chart. You can also look at a daily chart. वहाँ से support लिया. You can see the support from this short term. It acts like a moving average. So you know, Kiju Sen line से support लिया, then bounce back about from there. So convert leading, you can call it like a conversion line or a baseline for easy understanding. And see how amazing this continue to act as a support here also, and sharply bounce back on the upside. So momentum in stocks में बना हुआ है. Okay, when I talk about it, maybe you can do an intraday trade in these kind of stocks. Maybe you can do a positional trade in these kind of stocks. Look at the rise. Look at the candle size. Buy was given this level, and look the way it rallied sharply up, nearly around 9-10% in just 1 hour of time, in rather just 20 minutes of time. So you know, if you can understand wave theory to some extent and apply these methods together on the cash side, there is lot that you can possibly do. And that is what I thought, yaar, agar aisa kuch chal raha hai, so you people should be aware about it. And that's why I thought I'll just record this session and upload it. So this is available on YouTube in front of you @kyalashish, and I'm going to be also uploading it on my Instagram @kyalashish, because these things work and you can clearly see that happening. तो अप्लाई क्या किया टेक्निक्स, इस पे बॉलिंगर बैंड्स अप्लाई किया. जैसे ही बैंड के ऊपर आवरली क्लोज मिला, साथ में प्राइस एक्शन का कंफर्मेशन मिला, वी न्यू दैट इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन अप ट्रेंड. और वी ऑल्सो न्यू इन इनसाइड की थर्ड वेव शुरू होने वाला है, बिकॉज वी कैन क्लियरली सी अ वेरी शार्प प्राइस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वन, लॉट ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन इन वेव 2 विच टुक मोर टाइम ऑल्सो देन वन, एंड फिर ऊपर का ट्रेंड शुरू हो गया. एग्जैक्टली द सेम स्टफ वी कैन ऑब्जर्व इन डालमिया भारत, अ वेरी क्लासिक मूव एंड अप ट्रेंड. अगर आप चैनल भी कनेक्ट करें इसमें, यू कैन गेट अ वेरी क्लासिक trend that you can connect by using looking at the channels. Simply connect the channels and you will know the trend of the stock is on the upside. So the buy call was given along with looking at various simple methods, no complications, you know, and these methods, as I said, works fabulously well. So what I'm trying to tell you is, why not get access to something like this? Maybe you can get access to it by joining our momentum advisory. Maybe you can get access to something like this by joining our cash calls that we are giving. Maybe you can get access to the equity research report. So why not get access to this? You simply have to go to wavestrategy.com, go to that section of different services we are offering, and get access to this kind of research and calls advisory directly on your phones or WhatsApp. That's one way. The other thing is, why not learn these methods, is what I always tell my people. Why not equip yourself with tools that are working in this market and in these kind of methods? So we are coming up with one classic training, which is known as Master of Cycles, which is happening, I think, on 12th, 13th of May. It's a Saturday, Sunday. I did that a year back. I don't do this kind of training very often. This training on cycles will thrill you to the core, क्योंकि यहाँ पर you can able to predict the market daily, from daily time frame to hourly time frame to 15 minutes to 5 minutes. And I can see a few of my mentees are already doing that. So you can possibly join this Master of Cycles program. For joining this program, you can again visit wavestrategy.com. You will have information there, or you can also get in touch with us on 9920422202. The links of this program is going to be in the description box and the comment box that you can see on the bottom of the screen. And there is the link where you can simply click and you will get all the information of Master of Cycles program happening, I think, in May, Saturday, Sunday, 12th, 13th is what the dates, if I recollect it correctly. अगर वो नहीं करना है आपको, तो join the mentorship program that's starting in July, and these methods, precisely stock selection. So ये Saturday को हमारा एक mentorship batch चालू है, उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया स्टॉक सिलेक्शन मेथड्स. We talked about Orient Bell, it was up by 7%. We talked about other stocks also. Prince Pipe, it was up by 4% already, 5% I suppose. So we talked about so many stocks using a stock selection method, and simple method, I'm telling you, trust me on that. No complications. एकदम easy method से हमने discuss किया, and those stocks are working well. So it's up to you which path you want to choose for financial freedom. You can either choose the advisory calls if you don't want to spend time learning, you don't have time. But if you can spend time learning, I would say mentorship is the way you should go for, because that is going to really help you. It's a 3-4 month program. You learn so many techniques, simple techniques that you can start applying. There is a Gurukul where you can keep discussing, and access to that Gurukul is for lifetime. You know, you network with people, you meet them, you under right now physically it's not possible, virtually you are meeting them. So why not learn these methods? So it's working fabulously well for me. It's working fabulously well for everyone who is a part of the Gurukul or who is a part of the advisory service. So this is Ashish Kalia. I thought I'll just very quickly conduct this very short webinar, explain you, focus your attention to the stocks away from the index maybe, or in the index also there will be opportunity. But if you can get that quick 4, 5, 10% moves, understanding the risk of course, then why not to capitalize on those moves? क्यों नहीं उसके साथ में चलना है ये simple methods apply करके. Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku Cloud, why not apply these simple methods? And it works so well. और अगर आपको wave theory आता है, if you are a part of Master of Waves program which is conducted, you will be doing excellently well, because you can identify these third waves and derive the targets where this can go. So you know, अभी ये positions नहीं लेनी है, ये stocks already move आ चुका है. So आपको अभी positions इसमें नहीं लेनी है, क्योंकि already risk reward favorable अभी नहीं है. It's already up by 8%, 10% from where the buy call was given. So don't do that. But you need to take positions in these stocks when it's about to break out. And how to identify that? Do the stock selection. Time the market. Maybe master of cycles is for you. Maybe mentorship that works for you. So whatever works for you, do that, but do something. Do not miss out on these trends that is there in the market. Do not miss out these amazing methods that are working on the market. Take the plunge. Join the service, maybe advisory if you want. As I said, the links are available in the description box. Do that. And you can always get in touch with us on 99204-22202 for any doubts, any queries. You can get in touch with us there. So have a wonderful time. Cyclone helped me to be out right now because yahi pe network available hai easily, and I'm doing it from outside. That's why. This is Ashish Kyal here signing off from Cloud9 Hills Resort in Lonavala, and I'm sure you are not missing out on the trends, but getting into it exactly when it is supposed to be starting. Do not keep creeping about it. Take the steps, take the action, get into the trend, and have a wonderful time. So the early bird for mentorship is ending on 25th May. Ensure you capitalize by registering for mentorship program. It's a 4-month program with me where I'll share across these kind of methods and techniques that help me capitalize here. Or you can get for the Master of Cycles program, which is happening early next month. And that's going to time the market to the very minute. If you are an intraday trader, you will be thrilled. If you are a positional swing trader, you are going to be amazed. So get in touch with me on the numbers discussed and have a wonderful time. Thank you very much.